So I have two more books to share with you, two more astrology books as I've been going through some of my collection, some books I really appreciate and respect, ones that I've referenced for decades, and ultimately different topics in astrology that I hope interest you, that I hope you are curious about or want to dive into. Now, the book that I find really relevant right now, right here, The Return of Planet Sedna. Sedna takes just over 11,000 years to circle back around to our planet and is approaching Earth. And this is a big deal. This is significant for some of the bigger themes on our planet. And in this book, the author talks about the significance of Sedna. She does have a lot of introductory information about astrology in here too, just to kind of, my understanding is to set up astrology and to understand more of how it works. I mean, she talks about the personal planets. She talks about different things with each sign. So that's all included. And then she does go into more about Sedna. And one thing that's fascinating is how the energy of Sedna is connected to the ocean, is connected to all the water on our planet. And in fact, she even says that on the back here, that the huge tsunami that struck Indonesia, Thailand, and India in 2004 is connected with the power of Sedna. I just got a download. I think that the return of Sedna is connected to everything they're discovering in Antarctica, and also all the water that's been discovered inside the Earth's core. These are all Sedna themes, okay? So the energy of Sedna is fascinating, as she is also moving into Gemini and has been in Taurus for a very long time, now moving into Gemini, which is information and communication, you know, what we are understanding, how our mental energies are continuing to take in new details, new data, new information. So I feel like Sedna is important for our planet's evolution and what we haven't known yet. I mean, this planet hasn't been here in over 11,000 years. So what has not really been understood is going to come alive. And this can be so many things. I mean, I feel like the archetypal energies of Sedna bring alive more of what we've experienced on this planet across other lifetimes. And that part of what we are opening up to is the fluidity of our energy, but also looking deeper at this energy of Sedna and what we're ready for, what our consciousness is perhaps ready for. Well, it's coming, ready or not. So anyways, I feel Sedna, because it moves so slowly, it's a very slow, it's like a slower understanding of the bigger picture, but there have already been breakthroughs. So it definitely relates to what we're discovering about our oceans, what's within the earth, what the earth has been used for, and so much more. So anyways, Sedna. And then another book that you're probably familiar with, and I've talked about it for years, Asteroid Goddesses by Demetra George and Douglas Bloch. Such an important astrology book for understanding these energies in you, the archetypal energies of Ceres, Pallas, Athena, Juno, and Vesta. Wonderful book to dive into these energies, including by astrological sign. So wherever you have Ceres in your chart, whichever house you have Ceres in, and then the other three asteroids as well, asteroid goddesses. So do check this out. She does bring in more mythology, which I love, and she does bring in other asteroids as well. In fact, in the back of the book here, there's this table. I know it's really small. I'm not going to make you read it, but it lists where all the asteroids are going to be until 2050. And then also the different other asteroids that she doesn't cover in depth here. So for example, Eros and Toro, Pandora, Icarus, Diana. Oh yeah, there's always more in astrology. I mean, there's so many astrological stars and points, and it's literally endless. So it's like we'll never be bored in the world of astrology. We'll always be learning more. So anyways, I just wanted to share these two books with you as part of my ongoing series here of different astrology books that I thought might be fascinating or worthwhile for you to check out. And as always, I just have 3 words: add to cart.